the government must only invest in matters where private sector cannot invest. Mr. Garg rightly pointed out the intra-city roads, their repairs, construction of them, cleaning of them, the river cleaning, and so on. These are matters where private sector will find difficult. I can't imagine too many other sectors where private investment won't come if the situation and the policies are right. He mentioned about SCBs. I know for sure what a difficult job it is for power producers who have competed at the unit rates of something like 2.5 rupees per unit. If you don't get the money in time from SCBs, the whole project is jinxed. And they are all facing that. That's why what you are seeing on power sector, I hope people have noticed, there's more of consolidation. These smaller players who had come in are finding very difficult to survive. They are being taken over by the bigger players. But fresh investments, what should come, are, I think, certainly not coming to that extent. We need to fix it, and the private sector investment will come. Divestment, again, I think government needs to get out of all this, will get the money, and also avoid putting more money. Let me come to private investment, which is, of course, the most important. My experience dealing with the financial institutions and the global financial financiers, India would have access to as much capital as it wants today. Good project, good companies, good promoters will always attract as much capital as they want. No question about it. Now, what ails private investment? One is ease of doing business. And second, I think, which unfortunately governance on part of the financiers has been so poor, and that has led to so many NPAs. I must point out, I'm a very keen student of these NPAs, and I find that it's only in a very few cases that there have been frauds where people have eaten up the money. Most of the promoters had actually diverted money for different projects, some of which didn't work out. Not necessarily that they, just embezzled that money. So that has been the fact, and that is purely because extremely poor governance. So while we do ease of doing business, we will have to step up that governance.